Hello my friends, today we are going to show you how to pack the model BL-1202C type machine. Now we are doing the final test on caps. While finishing the final test, we will remove the thread on the machine. Remove all the threads on the machine. We leave the several threads on the machine. While you receive it, you can thread the machine fastly. Then we will clean the machine. Clean the machine carefully. And then we lower down the thread rack. Lower down it. And turn this part. When everything is ready, we put the machine on the wooden plate. And then we put all the accessories inside the wooden case. And then we cover the machine with a film to protect it from water and damage. And then we close the wooden case. Then we put the left accessories in it. Stable the table and clean the table. While all the accessories inside the wooden case, we will close it. And now the machine is packed well, safe and secure.